Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. What was the reason why Jesus said these words? It is as if the Lord is telling them, you do not deserve anything. And this is his way of reminding his listeners that they should not have a self-righteous attitude, that no one can demand anything from God. Because there is a temptation to be like the Pharisees and the scribes. They do the commandments, they offer worship, they wear clothes that are proper. In other words, the Pharisees and scribes behave. And therefore, there is a temptation for them to believe that since I am a good Pharisee, I am a good Jew, I deserve these blessings. And that can happen also to us. And that is why this is also a reminder to all of us. Hey, do not think that since you have been praying, you have been a good Christian, you attend Mass regularly, therefore, God owes you something. Para sinasabi natin sa Panginoon, Lord, may utang ka ha? No? May utang ka sa akin. Mga minamahal kong kapatid, ang Ebanghelyong ito ay nagpapaalaala sa atin, walang utang ang Diyos sa atin. It is not like a relationship between employer and employee, that the employee works and therefore he deserves the salary every 15th and 30th. That's why if the employer does not give the salary on time, the employee complains to labor. Yung pong amo namin, hindi kami pinasusweldohan sa oras. Yung amo namin, hindi kami pinasusweldohan ng tama. Yung amo namin, pinahihirapan kami sa trabaho. And most likely, Dole will take your side because there is an employer-employee relationship. But with God, there is no such thing because everything is gift. There is a difference between salary and gift. The salary, you get it because you deserve it. The gift, you get it because the giver is kind. Ganun ng Diyos. Hindi tayo sinusweldohan ng Diyos. Kasi kung tayo susweldohan ng Diyos, batay sa ating ginagawa, ay nako, marami sa atin walang tatanggaping sweldo. No? Kung pagpapalain tayo ng Diyos, batay sa ating kabutihan, marami sa atin ang mamamatay ng gutom. Buti na lang, hindi tayo tinatrato ng Diyos ng ganon. Kahit na hindi tayo deserving, bibigyan tayo. Hindi dahil sa tayo ay mabait, kundi dahil sa ang Diyos ay mabuti. Kaya sa bandang huli, tama ang Panginoon eh. When you have done all you have been commanded, just say, well, we have just done our duty. God does not owe us anything because everything is gift. Kaya yung mga nagsisimba ngayon, dahil may board exam, no, mga nagpapabless sa akin, no, o kaya may hinihiling sa Diyos, huwag nyo namang sumbatan ng Diyos kapag hindi ibinigay yung sa inyo. Kasi baka may sipin, ano ba yan? Nagpamisa pa naman ako, nagpabless pa naman ako sa pare, no? Hindi pa rin ako nakapasa. kung tayo ay tutugunin ng Panginoon sa ating mga panalangin, ang tangi nating masasabi ay, salamat po. Kung hindi naman din tayo didinggin ng Panginoon sa ating mga dasal, ang pwede lamang nating sabihin ay, Amen. So be it. We don't deserve anything. God does not owe us anything. Everything is a gift. Amen.